My name's Robby Jenks, I'm the head chef at the Vineyard Hotel. My role at the Vineyard is mainly looking after the food, but also to work with the sommeliers and the wine team in order to make sure that our food and our wine is a marriage between the two. Our food style at the Vineyard is, it's got a lot simpler since when I first started, more ingredients focused. It's a lot more precise on the flavours, bolder flavours. We do an a la carte menu and we also do tasting menu. Our vision for the restaurant is keep developing our food, keep developing our wine, keep growing in success, and making our guests happy is our main focus. It's very important for us to have a good team, a structured team. The evolution of the food since I've started at the Vineyards is quite simple really. We've subtracted some of the stuff that we used to do from the beginning. We've become more confident in our product, in the ingredient. We've worked a lot more with the suppliers. Our biggest success to date, I think, is working with the team and trying to sort of develop people, and we've really got a good background and backdrop for the right people that come through the door at the Vineyard in terms of staffing now. Advice I'd give to young chefs on their careers starting out now is definitely just to get with the right chef is the first thing. Someone that's going to mentor you and look after you on a day-to-day basis, someone that's going to give you the time. The first dish that we're going to cook today is the salmon. We took a dish that we've got from the start and it kind of shows what we're about. We've kind of changed little bits, changed items, made some of the items better. It's very simple on the eye and a lot's changed in the 2 years that it's been with us. I see myself in the Vineyard in the next 5 years, continuing to what we're doing. I like to call it a journey because that's exactly what it is, and I think the journey is very important to me, to the owners, to the team, is that we keep making small steps towards a better future, and if we can do that and we're always moving forward, I like to think that we'd stay current.